अलंकृता, फिल्म कई समारोहों में जा चुकी, हमारी आपसे उन दिनों ही बात हुई थी जब इशू चल रहे थे सर्टिफिकेट के। अभी कितनी रिलैक्स्ड हैं एंड 21 जुलाई के लिए किस तरीके से तैयार हैं?
Up to I'm having, yeah, I can't believe it's happening actually. I was so used to this thing of like, it's not going to happen. And I think it's really, really wonderful that Ekta came on board, because I think that has really like made the whole release like so much fun. And you know that at least we're coming out with a lot of strength. So I feel after battling so much, I would have hated to have a very small, kind of struggling to release kind of an energy with the film. So I feel like the film really deserves a wider audience. So I'm very, very happy that there is a way of reaching out to a wider audience. So I'm excited, and I want everyone to come to cinemas on 21st July.
Hi, Shivangi this side from Aaj Tak here. So मेरा सवाल आप सभी से है कि जिस तरह से ये फिल्म है वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट की बात करता है, या जो वुमेन्स की मांग है या डिमांड है, जो इच्छाएं हैं उसके बारे में बात करता है, क्या आप लोगों को लगता है कि सेक्स एक मुद्दा है जहां पर हम औरतों की इच्छाएं या औरतें लड़ रही हैं? क्या सेक्स के मुद्दे से ही हम इस चीज़ को प्रूव कर सकते हैं, या कोई और मुद्दा लेकर हम फिल्म नहीं बना सकते थे?
I think before I ask anyone else to answer, I would really like to answer this question. I think the side.
Sorry to interrupt. अगर आप ये जवाब हिंदी में देंगी तो बहुत अच्छा
तो मुझे क्या लगता है कि औरत की जो बॉडी होती है ना, वो सबसे पहला एरिया होता है कॉन्फ्लिक्ट का. एंड therefore I feel that many issues about women finding themselves, finding freedom, are definitely related to how much agency and control they have over their own bodies. So that's what I feel. So I don't feel that kuch disconnect hai between other issues and all of that. But this is a story about 4 women, so it's not even that, yeah.
Yeah, I would say sex एक बहुत छोटा अंश है इन 4 औरतों की जिंदगियों का और उनकी कहानियों का. ज़रूर इम्पोर्टेंट अंश है, जैसा कि सबकी ज़िंदगी में होता है, लेकिन सिर्फ ये ही एक मसला है ऐसा मैं नहीं कहना चाहूँगी. अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये जो सारे तमाशे हुए हैं और जिस तरह की पब्लिसिटी हमको मिली है, उसकी वजह से ऐसा लगता है कि ये सिर्फ एक गंदी पिक्चर है. ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी, जो बंदे ये पिक्चर गंदी पिक्चर सोच करके आएंगे ना, तो बहुत दुखी होंगे.
I actually believe sex ना ऐसी चीज़ है जो हमने बहुत सालों से when it comes to women छुपाई है. Unfortunately आपको बोला जाता है आप अपने आप को ढको, क्योंकि फिर उस आदमी का भेड़िया बनना अलाउड है. बिकॉज यू नो व्हाट, आपने अपना शोल्डर दिखा दिया, अरे मेरा शोल्डर है, आप भेड़िए बने. इट्स लाइक सो दैट इज अ वेरी बिग प्रॉब्लम. हम वी आर नॉट बीइंग एबल टू डिस्क्रिमिनेट बिटवीन सेक्सुअल intentions or sex and sexual crime. Sexual crime is a problem. Sex, if it's consensual between 2 people, is not a problem. And unfortunately, the more we are dabawing this topic, we are making more and more women responsible for any kind of sexual desire that is raised in them or in a man. Frankly, really guys, we have, I mean, I would like to say, like, it's a world where God has given us a body and it feels, and as long as we are in control, as long as we deal in anything that's consensual, morality should be our personal issue. It cannot be thopoed on us and made an excuse for anyone else to behave badly. That's why dealing with sex and discussing sex is as important as discussing a lot of other things, because this whole prohibition has made it okay for us to be more guilty about our legs being shown. I mean, we've had so many photos of women come out, actresses, whose shoulder was shown. Oh, you know what, a malfunction happened and it went all over the place. Come on, man. There are many malfunctions I'll show you of men, but no one covers them. And it's time we decide to discuss sex like adults, without playing it up. If you see the movie, it is not at one point vicarious, or it's not at one point exploitative, but it's never running away from the issue. It speaks as it is. That's why it stares you in the eye.
Alankrita, hi. A lot of reports say that the poster is directed at the CBFC. Did you intend it to be that way?
I think Ekta already answered that question, but just to repeat, no, not at all, because the poster is directed at the system of patriarchy, which actually oppresses women. And it's really about being rebellious and fun and wanting to do our own thing. And the world can go to hell.
Hi, Megha here from Republic TV. My question is for both Alankrita and Ekta. I have two questions. One, what is the distribution plan of this movie when we have 3 other movies releasing on the same date? And secondly, an elderly woman recently from Meghalaya was asked to leave from a golf club because of her dress, and she was wearing a traditional Khasi dress, which is considered to be a maid uniform. So what do you have to talk about this particular issue wherein, you know, how long for us to end chauvinism and
How long? Does anyone have an answer? फटाफट बता दो, मुझको भी बताओ. I'm dying to know how long. I've been waiting for so many years now. I want to know.
I've entered a temple with a half pant, and I'm told 2 other men who've entered with like same length of pants, it's okay, but I'm not allowed to show my this part of the leg also, which is like it happens all the time. I mean, and clearly this is a situation that we have to constantly combat. That's what I say. It happens to us every day. And your shoulder showing here, आप decently dressed नहीं है. वो decent word कैसे आ जाता है मुझे पता नहीं चलता. As far as the release goes, we're planning 400, 500 screens. We'll push it as much, and we are hoping to create as much noise. This is a film that is very close to my heart, and I will do everything in my power to give it the widest release. The rest.
Thank you.
Alankrita, recently Pelaj Nilani said that, you know, if he got a lack of votes, he would allow the word intercourse in Jab Harry Met Sejal. Did you wish he'd started some voting system for your film as well?
I didn't know that these new kind of laws can be made at any time. I thought that we're following the 1952 Cinematograph Act. If there's been some change, I have not been informed. I don't know. Has there been some sort of change? I have no idea.
Ekta, you of course are a very commercially successful producer. A film like this with an A certificate, and even your trailer's A certificate. So, you know, it can't be shown on TV, and you'll have restrictions. You know, even playing the trailer out. Was that ever a consideration before backing the film?
Do I look like it made a difference to me? In my whole life, I've done things because I believe in it. And sometimes I've been wrong. Sometimes I've been horribly right. Sometimes I've been terribly wrong. I've been panned, but I've lived life according to my own rules. And since I've been backed by my family, I've been able to do that. And I hope I get a chance to get more and more women to do that for the next generation. I hope I can help a lot more women to live the life they want, like I have been able to.
Hi Ratna, here, Soumya from Times Now. Firstly, the trailer looks amazing. Congratulations on that. And my question is, it is not very, usually we don't see, women of all ages expressing their feelings and desires. I mean, and even when it is about the young girls. And this movie does it without any age bars. So what do you have to say about that?
About time that people figured out that, you know, we are not dead. Just because you happen to have a few white hair doesn't mean you are dead. So, yeah, I mean, people have desires all through their lives, emotional, sexual, all kinds of desires. And the fact that this kind of a story could be told and was even thought of, I don't think it would have been possible 4 years ago, 5 years ago. The fact that Alankrita did and that we are here today with this film means that something is going right. So we are getting to tell different kinds of stories.
Alankrita, my question goes to you. Why the trailer's been so hard-hitting?
Well, the reason that the trailer's been so hard-hitting is that I've had a very hard-hitting kind of journey. And I think I'm done with the niceties. We've been very soft and kind and all of that, but I think I'm really done with that. Because, you know, we had a very warm, like, graphic image that we had used earlier when we had, for the international festivals and all of that. But I think time's really up on that. We applied for the censor certificate at the end of December. We got it in our hands on the 3rd of June, and on the 5th we announced the release. So it took me almost 6 months to get a film certified. I think I'm allowed to come out with a trailer that's hard-hitting, because also I feel that what happens to the characters in the film is exactly what happened to the film. It was like, if women want to express themselves, they should just be told to shut up and stay at home and not show their film in theaters. So I think that there's a real parallel between what women experience and what actually the film experienced. And that's the reason we came out with this trailer. And also I think that it's really important for people to go out into the theater to watch this film, because otherwise it's like, what was that whole battle for? And as citizens of India, are we really interested in listening to women's stories? Are we interested in freedom of expression? And I should think that the fact that this film is releasing is not just about, you know, like the people behind the film, but the fact that it's important that the film is managing to release.